This is how to make the commercial building with the 3 accent in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle in here, and we can just place to the position. Okay, and then now we can scale it a little bit smaller than before. Then we can click and we can push it up, type 1 meter. Okay, then now we can make the curve with using the 2-point arc in here on the position, just like this. Okay, then we can click and push it down till to the limit in here. Then again double click, right click, and also make component, then just create. Okay, and after that now we can select move, type control, and we can move it up, type 5 meter. Okay, so the clear from the floor to the ceiling in here around 4 meter. Then we can select move, type control, and just place the position in here, just like this. Then now we can duplicate again with this position in here. Okay, and after that now we can configure about the column dimension in here. So this is a column dimension. We can make component and then just create, just like move and just place, type 3/enter in here. So this is the distance about the column, but it's just for schematic, so you have to discuss with your structural engineer anyway. Okay, we can click, and right click and select make group and select move, type control, and then just place, type 5/enter in here. Okay, and after that now we can erase some unnecessary line in here. We can explode. We can explode in here. We can erase some unnecessary line over there, or we can just we can click and explode and just erase this one. Now we can push it down until the position in here. Then we can click and push it down. Yeah, then after that now we can click and right click and make unique, and just offset it inside a little bit, and click and select edit and copy, exit on the group and edit, and just place in place and push it down until the position. Right click and make group and double click. Okay, then now we can erase and then erase. Okay, then now we can select the glass area. We can select the glazing in here. Then now we can make the rectangle in here and push it to the front, double click, make component, and then just create, select move, type control, and just place, type 5/enter in here. And then we can select the wood materials. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle again in here. Okay, we can make the 2-point arc. Make the 2-point arc in here, and make the 2-point arc over there in here. Okay, then now we can select the landscaping and assign about the landscape materials in here. Okay, now we can adjust the landscape area in here, and then now we can make the rectangle over there and push it to the front and push it up. Then now we can make group and adjust the color. We can adjust the color with using the dark gray. Okay, now we can rotate a little bit in here. Then we can select the line and just offset it inside and push it until to the limit in here. Okay, so this is the basic model, so you can explore more with your own version in here from this basic model anyway. Okay, just like this. Then now we can activate about the shadow in here. Okay, thank you for watching.